Everyone was friendly and spoke English. The candy bar making is upstairs but is open to shop and dining below, so the acoustics made it hard to hear at times. You get to see cocoa pod and taste actual cocoa seed. Where the cocoa is grown in Panama and how it is made into chocolate is explained. Then you get to help cool the chocolate on marble table. Then pour chocolate into mold and add toppings. Next you go downstairs and get little pieces of the various chocolates that Gnome makes with varying amounts of cocoa and other ingredients, and 2 specialty-filled chocolates with your choice of water or Prosecco. By the time you finish, the chocolate bars you made have chilled and are ready to go. We learned some new things about chocolate and enjoyed our experience. Such a fun class. There was a small group and it felt personalized for a bunch of strangers. The history and watching her explain in the upstairs of the cute shop, with being able to taste the ingredients before we made our own chocolate bar. We were able to pick our toppings of either nuts, dried fruit, or both. They cook and wrap it the same day, and as they sat downstairs they gave us a champagne and let us try a few of their chocolates from the shop downstairs. Some were spicy, sweet, or boozy. Really awesome tour that lasted about 1.5 hours, located right in downtown Casco Viejo, so it's easy walking distance from most hotels if you're in the area. I can say so many positive things about my experience with the Gnome staff today, but then I'd be writing a dissertation, and I don't have time for that. Lol. Simply put, the staff was very friendly and informative, and he gave us in-depth details about the entire process of chocolate making, and I can truly say that I left Gnome with more knowledge about chocolate than I had when I arrived. The process was fun and educational, and I would recommend them to anyone who's looking to learn the basics about preparing chocolate and wanting a fun experience at the same time. I was thoroughly pleased. Please check them out. You won't be sorry. We had a 6 p.m. appointment on Saturday night. We booked it on Viator. They do not have a 6 p.m. experience there. When we got there at 5:50 they were closing up. Juan greeted us at the store. We showed them our booking reservations and he was surprised that they were showing 6 p.m. bookings. He was very nice and accommodated us. We had our own private experience. Rolando was the one who gave us our experience there. They were so accommodating. It couldn't have been any better. I couldn't thank them enough for letting us come in and experiencing it. Chocolate shop which offers experience and instruction in Panamanian chocolates. The class lasts about an hour and a half and costs $35 person. Initial introduction and instructions and education about cacao beans and production was educational and instructive. First-hand experience then in cooling and tempering the chocolate, and then making your own bar. Finishing with a taste of different small chocolates while waiting for your bars to cool. We thoroughly enjoyed this experience. My family loved this experience at Gnome. We learned all about the process of making chocolate and got to taste the cacao bean at each stage. The guide made it fun and interactive and seamlessly transitioned from Spanish to English. Getting to make our own chocolate bar was also a cool experience. While our bars cooled, we had a chocolate tasting of all of the Gnome varieties. Highly recommend the geisha coffee flavor. My kids are 12 and 8 and really enjoyed this experience.